What's up, everyone? It's your boy Najam back with another video on Money Booster, your go-to channel for financial tips and tricks. Today we're diving into 10 simple ways to save money every month without sacrificing any of the fun. These are the exact strategies I used when I was first starting out, and trust me, they can make a real difference. Don't forget to subscribe to our free newsletter at https://moneybooster.substack.com for more awesome content. One of the easiest ways to save a ton of money is by ditching the daily takeout and embracing the brown bag. Think about it, those $15 lunches really add up, and you can easily make something even more delicious at home for a fraction of the cost. I challenge you to try packing your lunch for just one work week and see how much you save. You might be surprised. Who says fun has to break the bank? There are tons of free entertainment options available, especially in larger cities. We're talking free concerts in the park, outdoor movie nights, museum-free days, you name it. Just check out local event listings or websites like Timeout or Eventbrite. Trust me, some of my most memorable experiences have been completely free. Listen, I love my Starbucks just as much as the next person, but those daily lattes can seriously drain your bank account. Invest in a quality coffee maker, a reusable coffee mug, save the planet, and experiment with different flavors and creamers at home. You'll be amazed by how much you save, and you can put that extra cash towards something you really care about. Instead of blowing your budget on expensive dinners and drinks, why not host a game night? Invite your friends over. Make it a potluck where everyone brings a dish to share. Board games, card games, video game tournaments, the possibilities are endless. It's a great way to socialize, de-stress, and create lasting memories without spending a fortune. Plus, who doesn't love a little friendly competition, right? I'm not saying you have to become the next Gordon Ramsay, but learning to cook a few basic meals at home can save you a ton of money in the long run. There are endless budget-friendly recipes available online, and you can even turn it into a fun activity by involving friends or family. Not only will you save money, but you'll also impress yourself with your culinary skills. Remember libraries? They're not just for books anymore. Your local library is a treasure trove of free entertainment, from books and audiobooks to movies, music, and even musical instruments. You can also attend free author talks, workshops, and community events. So, dust off your library card and rediscover the magic of this often overlooked gem. Before you shell out big bucks for a repairman or buy a new gadget, consider the power of DIY. From fixing a leaky faucet to mending clothes or even making your own cleaning products, there are countless ways to save money by doing things yourself. Not only will you save on labor costs, but you'll also gain valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment. Who needs overpriced popcorn and sticky floors when you can create your own movie magic at home? Grab some blankets, pop some popcorn, way cheaper in bulk. Choose a movie from your favorite streaming service or rent one online for a fraction of the cost of a movie ticket. Listen, I used to think coupons were for extreme couponers only, but then I realized how much money I was leaving on the table. Nowadays, there are so many easy ways to find coupons and discounts, from apps like Ibotta and Rakuten to websites like RetailMeNot and Honey. Just a few minutes of searching can save you a significant amount on your grocery bills, clothing purchases, and more. Ready to level up your savings game? Challenge yourself to a no-spend day or even a whole weekend. The goal is to avoid all unnecessary spending and focus on free activities. It's a powerful way to become more mindful of your spending habits and discover creative ways to have fun without opening your wallet. You might be surprised by how much you enjoy the simplicity of a no-spend day. So there you have it, guys. 10 simple yet effective ways to save money every month without sacrificing any of the fun. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you can start building healthier financial habits without feeling deprived or restricted. Money Booster is here to support you every step of the way on your financial journey. Share your favorite money-saving tips and tricks in the comments below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more great content.